Good morning guys, in front of me is Honor 600 Lite, and let me show you how to reset app preferences. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select System, and not System and Updates but Apps. And this model you cannot do it through System Reset. So once you open Apps, just mark Manage Apps, tap on More icon and select Reset App Preferences at the very bottom of the list. And now, if you truly want to reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, or any other permission restrictions, just mark Reset. And that's it, that would be all. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, and leave the thumbs up.